Welcome. In this quick guide, you will learn how to disable Gemini on Samsung power button using simple settings. Follow each step carefully to customize your device without affecting essential features. Let's get started in just a few easy movements together. Stay now. First of all, open the settings app on your phone. Once you are in the settings menu, scroll down a little. Find the advanced features option, tap to open it. After this page, find the side button option, click on them. In the menu, find the long press option, tap on it. Right now is set to Google Gemini or Digital Assistant or Bixby. If you decide to disable it, simply choose the power off menu and that's it, you are done. To check if this is work, simply long press your power button for a few seconds. And this time you can see the power menu appear, not open the Gemini available. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped, please like, subscribe and share for more simple Samsung tutorials. See you in the next video very soon. Goodbye everyone.